guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you top 10 things you need of Amazon. Most of these things are gonna help you with working from home because still we are working from home, and I assume everywhere around the world people are a few days working from home and a few days going to work. So and a lot of people are completely working from home. So if you're still working from home, I think these are the things that are going to help you if you do not already have them. So the first one on the list is plants. How are plants going to help you in working from home? The reason is because we sit in the same position there and at the same place when we are working. There's literally no color and contrast in the place and nothing exciting. It looks very barren. So if you add a few plants, it will really give a lot of life to your workspace. So you can just buy small little plants like this and keep it at the corner of your desk. This is really gonna give a lot of life, a lot of picture to your workspace, and you know, it's gonna be very pleasing to sit there with all the greenery. And you can buy plants with different colors or small little flowers, and you can buy the fake ones if you can't maintain the real plants. So it's gonna really help you feel happy and bright and motivated. And I personally feel that we as humans are very much intrigued by the nature, animals, fresh smell. So this is keeping a few plants essentially is gonna help you feel good and motivated and happy. Talking about sense of smell, we are also intrigued by different scents. So you should get different scented candles. So anything, these are pack of 4. I didn't get a lot because there was a pack of 16 as well, but I got this one because for trying first. I especially like this one. This is a different one. I like the bottle as well, the bottle or whatever you want to call it. It's bergamot and black tea. Wonderful. And the other one I feel I'm really going to like from this one is elderberry and fig leaf. I don't know, and I think peony and blush rose and bergamot and Earl Grey. I think I'm gonna like all. But yeah, you can add different types of candles and it will make you feel very nice. You can just burn one on the side and keep working. It'll be fresh smell. So if you burn one on a side, it will make the room feel fresh and in turn make you feel fresh. Okay, so now since I was talking about candles, I have to talk about the lighter. So I usually use a manual lighter to light my candles. So instead, one of my flatmates introduced me to the electric lighter, the one, and I feel it's personally amazing. It's the one with taser in the end. It doesn't give big flame, so it's obviously better in terms of safety as well because there's no fire coming out of it. It's just a taser. And also I feel the normal lighter you're gonna throw every 2 weeks because they run out, and you're gonna buy another, which in turn is increasing your carbon footprint. And as per Bill Gates, of course, he says that we need a global extraordinary effort to save our planet now because we are already in a very deep mess now because we have actually misused nature earth a lot. So yeah, so instead of buying a lighter that will last you 2 weeks and you throw it and buy another one and increase your carbon footprint, you can buy a laser one, like electric one, and you can always charge it, and it is both beneficial for you because you don't have to buy over and over again, and for the planet, and we love that. Before I jump into technical stuff, I'm going to show you 2 more non-tech stuff. The first one of those, which is I think the 4th one I'm talking about, is a steamer. So this is basically an iron, and you just turn it on. You put water in this compartment. It's a bit dirty, so I'm going to keep it there because I don't iron these days as much. I iron like once a week on Sundays, and I iron everything because I don't know why I don't like wrinkles and stuff. So this is a steam iron, and it's not your normal iron. It gives you a very crisp finish. Just hang your clothes on a hanger and just go over it like this, and that's it. The job is done. It will give you put water in this compartment, obviously, as I said, and then again just iron with steam, and it gives you like a crisp shirt or whatever, crisp cloth after ironing, which is wonderful. There is no crease whatsoever. So this is a good product if you really like wearing your clothes very neat. So the next one is this humidifier. So you put your water in this tank over here and it fits in this. Then you can turn it on. Obviously it has 3 different settings. It's a facial steamer, so if you got cold and stuff, you can give steam to yourself. And if your skin feels very dry, you can remove this compartment, add the fruits and other things here, and give yourself a facial steam, like with fruits and stuff, to feel more rejuvenated and stuff. And the last one is humidifier, which I personally love. You add a bit of essential oil and turn it on. The room will smell amazing. And yes, it's a humidifier, so the room won't feel very dry if you live in an area where there's a lot of dryness. Next on the list is something to release your stress. I don't know how many people will relate to it, but I personally like to color when I'm very stressed. So I got this book of Amazon. You can obviously get it at local stationery as well. These are different patterns in the book, and I have not done much. I've done only a few pages, but I just like to sit and color. And obviously you can buy different sort of colors on Amazon as well, which sometimes are not available at a local stationery shop. So yeah, you can do this and feel a bit motivated and change of scenes. As for the technical stuff is concerned, I really like this purchase of mine, which is a laptop holder. Obviously a laptop stand or whatever. You fix your laptop here, and then if you have an additional keyboard and mouse, you can obviously connect it to your laptop and then keep working. So this is really good because you don't have to sit with the laptop straight up, and you can actually work properly. Like, I don't know how many of you will relate, but I really like when my screen is at an angle and I can keep working. But yeah, so I really like that. And I have one for the iPad as well. Similarly, I'm unable to find it. I found the iPad luckily, but not the stand. You can just put your iPad there, and if you are like, sometimes I'm trying to debug something, so I can search it on the iPad and then keep on doing my work, or play a video if I'm learning something and keep doing it on the computer side by side. So that's a good part. If you have stands, it just makes your life easy. One thing is also I've ordered very recently and it has not arrived yet, is a massager. So I'm gonna pop a picture what I've ordered, but it's a massager with these balls sort of a thing, and you can hold it on your arms or shoulders and it just gives you a massage. So after a day, I really like doing it. Another tech thing that I think you can get yourself is an artificial light, because now we are obviously working from home and we need to do calls, and on most of the calls we are expected to turn our camera on. Like, nobody accepts it, but it's good to turn your camera on. And if you're sitting in a shabby, dull place, it looks very dark and dull. So instead you can get a light, a studio light, ring light, whatever, and when you're calling, you can just put that light in front of you at a distance obviously, and it will make a good impression and you'll look very bright and nice. The last thing is something to keep you really fit. It is some fitness items. So you can get things like this. It has got different sort of handles and stuff to work out in the house. Once you buy this, you have one less excuse of not working out, and also it will keep you motivated. It comes in a set of a lot of stuff. I don't even know how many, but I think 16 or 25 pieces. I'm not sure. I'll just attach a link, put a link in the description, sorry, or attach an image, whatever. But yeah, this is good. It keeps you motivated. And so once you've bought it and you've started working out, you'll obviously develop a habit of working out daily, which is very good for you, both mentally and physically. So that is it, you guys. These are all the products that are actually helping me keep sane in the lockdown and in isolation or whatever. If you like the video, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up and subscribe down to my channel if you would like to stick around. Comment down below the items you think are very beneficial for you, and I'd love to try them out. Other than that, I shall see you very, very soon. Bye bye.